How to access Google Ads. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access Google Ads. So now to start, the first thing that you can do is open any web browser of your choice. Like I have launched my Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, in order to open Google Ads, you can simply click onto this Google Apps button over the left hand side of your profile picture, and once you'll do this, a menu will appear, and from here you will need to scroll down until you see Google Ads. So simply click onto this Google Ads icon and it will lead you to the Google Ads homepage. Now if you are not using Google Chrome, you can simply click on to the search bar and simply type in Google Ads and hit the enter button, and from here you will see ads.google.com. So click on this first link and it will lead you to the same page. Now from here you can simply click onto this start now button, and then you can sign in your Google Ads. Now from here you can create your first campaign. So from here you can name your business, like what is your business name. Then from here it will ask you where should people go after clicking your ad. So from here you can enter your web page URL and then click onto the next steps in order to link your accounts and create your campaign. Also make sure that all of these campaigns are paid campaigns. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.